This tiny robot reacts to touch, makes sounds, and even throw expressions.
Ugh. Brother, ugh.
And the crazy part, you can build it yourself. This is Dasai Mochi. So let's start with the eye of Mochi, a 1.3-inch OLED display. Firstly, let's remove the bulky header pins to keep everything compact, then carefully solder 4 wires directly to it. And now it's time to cook the brain of Mochi, which is an ESP32-C3 Mini. This is the only board that works on. Then I started soldering all the components as per the circuit diagram. Make sure the wires are soldered properly, or else don't blame me for a headache. Now if you are facing stress in buying components just like me, then JLCMC is the way to go, which is kindly sponsoring this video. Finding the good quality parts locally can be annoying. Sometimes the quality isn't great, sometimes the parts aren't available. They offer variety of mechanical parts such as bearings, gears, mounts, and brackets. JLCMC makes this much easier. They offer nearly 600,000 products in one place, covering hardware, mechanical, electronics, and automation components with good quality at reasonable prices. They also offer custom parts, which is actually helpful when you are building something unique. Right now there is a special offer for you. When you sign up for the first time, you can get up to $123 of special coupons. The link is in the description if you want to check it out. So if you are working on similar projects and tired of searching for parts, this can save you a lot of time. Alright, back to the robot. As you see, Mochi is just like a dumb robot that does nothing, so in order to make it interact with us, let's add a touch sensor and a buzzer, which is simple but super important because as it gives Mochi to its personality. If you see, we are missing one thing, guess what? It's power. A LiPo battery connected to TP4056 charging module that charges safely is what I chose, and finally added a switch to control power. The hardware is done, now it's time for the software. First, connect ESP32 to your laptop and open the setup website, for which I'll provide the link in the description. Make sure to install the CS340 driver. If you are facing connecting issue, here's a small tip. Unplug the ESP32, hold down the boot button and plug it back in. And now it should connect properly. After that, just click install, select your COM port, hit connect and wait for a few moments. Once installed, open the Mochi setup panel. This is where things get fun. You can customize everything from animation, sounds and many more. I changed the buzzer pin to pin 2, touch sensor to pin 1, switched the language to English and saved it. And just like that, Mochi is alive. Now for the body, I don't have a 3D printer yet, so I went old school MDF board. I measured it, marked it carefully and cut it according to my measurements. Then I started assembling all the components inside, slowly turning it into Mochi. after shaping, I sanded the edges to make it smooth and clean. And finally, the Dasai Mochi was ready. A tiny robot that reacts to touch, shows different emotions, plays sound, and honestly just sits on your desk looking alive. Tap its head and it changes modes. No coding, no complicated setup, just pure building. So that's it for today. Hope you like this project. So see you in the next video.